In this video, we'll explore how to define an internal grooving job inside SolidCAM. We will be cutting this internal groove here. And for this purpose, let's start by adding grooving job. For our geometry, we'll pick from this line here and end up to this line here. Let's confirm our chain. You can note that our line of updated stock is here, intersecting our geometry, which means that we need to trim our line of geometry up to the updated stock. So let's go and confirm this geometry. And before we go to modify geometry, let's measure these two lines. This line is 19 millimeters long, and this line here is 4 millimeters long, which means we need to trim our geometry for 15 millimeters. Let's go inside Modify Geometry. And for our end extension and trimming, we can say minus 15 millimeters. This will trim our line of toolpath exactly to the point of our updated stock. So now we can go and confirm our geometry and move on to the tool page. Let's go inside the toolkit. And here we have tool number 10, which is an internal grooving tool with the width of 2 millimeters. Let's confirm our selection. Inside the levels page, we can leave 2 millimeters safety distance and go to the technology page. First thing that you can see here is that the mode is already pre-selected. So SolidCAM automatically recognized it is a long internal mode because we are doing here an internal grooving job. We can go and rename our job to be, for example, main spindle, internal diameter, grooving. For our work type, we will use rough, and now we can define our rough parameters. For our step down, we can use 2 millimeters step down, and for our step over, let's leave 1 millimeter of step over. We will be doing it for the order to be rows, and for our direction, we will use side by side. For our rough offset, we'll pick distance and leave 0.2 millimeters for the finishing. In the semi-finish and finish tab, we will use for our finishing ISO turning method, and we will be doing our finish on the rest material only. For our links, we will start from the right safety corner and end up in the same point. Let's go and calculate our job. We have toolpath here, and now we can simulate our job and see what we've done. We go to simulate. We can go and simulate step by step. And this is how our cutting will be performed on the machine. You can even go and slow down the process and play the simulation here. This is how you can define an internal grooving job inside SolidCAM. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.